Let's look at arbitration, the other main type of ADR process. Like mediation, arbitration is confidential. There are also savings of cost. Arbitration is cost effective. Sometimes international arbitration can get a bit expensive and take a bit more time, but there are lots of efforts being done to correct that. But what's really important with arbitration is the enforceability of the award. If you go to a court in India, China, the US, Brazil, and you get a court decision, a judgment in your favor, how can you enforce that internationally? Well, with arbitration you can, and perhaps I'll touch upon the international part down here first. The New York Convention, and that's the convention that preceded the Singapore Convention for arbitration, so that's the United Nations Convention on the Recognition and Enforcement of Foreign Arbitral Awards.
Antitrust rules use appointing authority in the corrective or default appointment of arbitrators, which is an independent third party to the arbitration, such as an arbitral institution. According to Article 6, Paragraph 1, the parties can agree or propose the appointing authority. Paragraph 2 then enables the party to request the PCA, that is, the Permanent Court of Arbitration at The Hague, to designate the appointing authority within a specified period.
Article 34.2, subparagraph B, subparagraph 2, speaks of the ground that award violates local public policy. This refers to public policy of the state, and therefore this may vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction, from state to state. Decisions under this ground are relatively consistent in establishing that public policy is narrow in scope and should only be applied in instances of the most serious procedural and substantive injustice. Public policy should refer to a fundamental principle of law or morality or justice of the state, or the most basic and explicit principles of justice and fairness, or the very foundations of public and economic life. Other violations of public policy may be found in cases of corruption, bribery, fraud, or serious procedural irregularities.